Catboy versus Robo-Cat. Yes! Super scissor jump! Yeah! And swirling spin! Kicking cartwheel! Great job, team! Now all together! Go! Yo! Yay! Yeah! Whoa! Whoops! Whoa! You really threw that one, Greg, straight into my garden! There it is. Huh? Guys! Why are you hiding? It's not funny. Greg and Amaya wouldn't have just left these. What's this? A circuit board? It must be Romeo. This is a mission for the PJ Masks. Well, one of us anyway. This PJ Mask is on his way into the night to save the day.
Night in the city, and a brave hero is ready to face fiendish villains to stop them messing with your day. Connor becomes
Catboy. The PJ Mask. Okay, PJ Picture Player. What's this? From a robot? I knew it was Romeo. Don't worry, Greg and Amaya. Catboy's coming to save you. Cat ears.
Where is it? I must have lost it somewhere.
Got you.
I'm sure I had it in my pocket.
Huh? Romeo, what have you done with my friends?
They're here. But they work for me now.
What? Owlette, Gecko, get away from Romeo!
Negative. We will only obey Romeo now.
Something weird's going on.
Huh? Nothing to see here.
Oh, yeah? Let's shine some light on this mystery. Fireballs! What?
Hey, Amaya! They grabbed us when we were all playing outside. It was easy without their superpowers.
But if you're in those cages, who are they?
Keep away from them, Catboy!
Wait, the picture player said robots. That's not Gekko and Owlette at all.
Yeah? No, but you thought it was, when it was really my incredible robot copies. And if I hadn't lost my circuit board, you would have been one of them too.
A circuit board? You mean this?
My circuit board! Don't be too confident, kitty cat. Soon my Robo-Owl and Robo-Gecko will put you in a cage too. Then I'll rule the world and you'll never stop me again! Catboy, free us so we can help you!
Not without your powers. Don't worry, I'll get your pajamas.
Looking for these, kitty little boy?
Oh!
Yes, your pajamas are mine, and so are you!
Whoa! These robots have the same powers as Owlette and Gekko?
Oh no, much better. Just watch this.
Whoa! Extra powers? That's not fair!
I warned you. It took years to build a supercomputer to power them, but now my robots are unstoppable, and so am I!
My tail is frozen!
Ha! A temporary effect, just long enough to put you in a cage. Your turn, Robo-Gecko. Whoa! Robots, get him and bring me back the circuit board.
Huh? I can feel my tail again! Autopilot! Ah! This is kind of fun!
After him!
This is no time for games!
Yeah!
Ha-ha! Huh? Get out of the way! I can't see!
on his way back here to free his friends, so keep your eyes open.
Look, they took Catboy's cat car. What have they done with him?
He should have let us help. I know we can, even without our powers.
But not when we're locked up. Give me your hairpin so I can unscrew this bar. Let's take this apart.
Guys, what are you doing?
I'm unscrewing the bars so we can get out.
Stop trying to escape. Without your powers, you'll be safer up here.
But we're almost out. One screw to go.
And we didn't need superpowers to do it. No, wait! I'm going to get your pajamas back.
Catboy, get him, Robo-Owl!
Whoops! Catboy, you got us caught.
Don't worry, I'll lead the robots away from you. Super Cat jump! Oh, at least I still have this. Huh? Oh, we used Super Gecko camouflage!
Aha! I thought I'd lost this. So nice of you to find just what I need, Catboy. Now that I have the missing piece, I can activate my Robo-Cat. Now nothing can stop me. The PJ masks are finished. Finished!
I gotta do something.
Huh?
Yeah! Great work, Catboy. Now let us out to help. You'll need your powers. I'll get your pajamas.
Once I push this button, my robot will be ready.
Not so fast, Romeo.
What? Help yourself, PJ Pass.
What have I done?
Robo-Cat, powered by my supercomputer.
Not 3 robots?
Robo-Cat, lock that pussycat up.
Whoa, this is a catastrophe.
Now nothing can stop me.
Oh.
No! Greg and Amaya to the rescue.
What?
Huh? My perfect robots! How did you pesky PJ Masks get out?
It's amazing what you can do with a hairpin.
You guys really are amazing, even without your powers. Thanks.
No problem.
You were right. I should have let you help before.
Get them, robots!
It's time to be a hero and let you guys help now. Super Cat speed! Helping me defeat Romeo will be more fun as superheroes.
Amaya becomes...
Owlette!
Greg becomes...
Gecko!
The PJ Masks!
We need to get to Romeo's supercomputer. If we stop that, it'll stop the robots. Let's do it!
Huh? Go help the other robots, Robo-Cat! No!
Leaping lizard! Which of you are the real Gecko and Owlette?
I'm the real Owlette. I'm the real Gecko. I am. Now what, kitty little boy? You can't tell them apart.
Your robots may have superpowers, but they're not friends like we are. Owlette! Gekko! Catch!
Yay! Kicking cartwheels! Swirling spin! Huh?
See, Romeo? I know who my friends are. Ready for our special move?
Yeah! Stop them! Whatever they're doing, stop them! Yeah! Whoa! Catboy!
Time to put your bad copies back to sleep, Romeo.
No! My supercomputer! You ruined my life's work! You'll pay for this next time, PJ Masks!
with the supercomputer destroyed.
Nice of Romeo to build these statues of us.
PJ Masks all shout hooray!
'Cause in the night we save the day!
What? They've gone again? Guys? Haha, very funny.
Well, if you had your cat speed in a day, you wouldn't take so long looking for things. Yeah, and if Gecko had his camouflage, he wouldn't need to hide.
With or without our superpowers, we're an amazing team. PJ Masks, let's go! Clumsy Catboy.
Very nice.
Everyone's got their science fair projects. But where's Connor with our model Volcano? Being careful, I hope. It's really fragile. Connor, watch out!
Don't worry, I've got it.
Let us help you get through the door.
Thanks, but I'm okay.
Careful!
See, I've got it.
Whoa! Whoa!
Huh? Told you I've got it. Huh?
Whoa! Grab it! Yay! You're really clumsy today, Connor. You're slipping and tripping over everything.
Whoa! Careful! Ouch!
What?
Phew!
He's not the only one.
See? I'm not clumsy. It's these other kids. I bet someone knocked that garbage can in my way.
This is way too much clumsiness to be just a coincidence. We need to find out who's behind this. PJ Masks, we're on our way.
Into the... Oops.
To save the day!
Night in the city, and a brave band of heroes is ready to face fiendish villains to stop them messing with your day. Amaya becomes
Owlette! Yeah!
Greg becomes
Gekko! Yeah!
Connor becomes
Catboy!
The PJ Masks!
Whoa! I'm okay. See? Let's check out some footage from around town today.
Something's definitely making people wobbly. But what?
I don't know, but they must feel terrible being so clumsy. Whoa! I'm okay. Look! On the other side of town! That's over by the library. To the cat car! Whoa!
Can we take the Gekko-mobile instead? Yeah, you seem a little, unsure on your feet.
No way! I meant to get in the cat car like that. It's, my new hurry-up technique. Watch out, trash!
Maybe someone else should drive. Guys,
I don't know why you think I'm being so clumsy. I've totally got this. Look! Romeo's lab! I knew Romeo was behind this. Time to hit it. Cat speed.
wait, let me get out first. Protect us from outside the cat car. Maybe I should help.
No need. Let's pounce. Oh. Oops. Wrong button.
Catapult! Super lizard grip! Wiggling reptiles! Ha! You've got no chance, PJ Masks. Now, which Which kind of clumsy will suit this sticky lizard best? Slippy trippy, twisty turny. No! Fumble fingers! Perfect! What's going on with my super lizard grip?
Huh? Just checking that Gekko's okay from down here. So, guys, what's going on?
I don't know. I can't hold on to the pool anymore.
Of course you can't. Thanks to me, you've got fumble fingers.
So that's some kind of clumsy ray.
Not some kind. The most genius clumsy ray ever.
Oh, no. Gekko's been zapped.
Yeah, because you won't admit that you're zapped too. Your clumsy driving is the only reason Gekko got out of the cat car.
Clumsy? Me? No way. Check out my graceful cat moves as I disable that ray. Super cat speed.
No, Catboy, wait!
Whoa!
Oh, maybe he wasn't zapped.
Super cat slow!
We have to protect Owlette from the ray. She's the only one who hasn't been hit.
Other than me. But let's do it.
I'll deflect the ray with this sign.
Fumble fingers. Let me help you. It'll be easy for me since I'm not clumsy. Whoa! Everyone okay?
Yeah.
What? No!
Now you're clumsy too, bird brain. My rays make you twisty-turny, so you'll never go in a straight line again.
I can't even fly straight or stop. This is a catastrophe. You two are really clumsy. How are we going to unzap you?
Why won't you just admit that you're clumsy too?
Because I'm not. I'm as graceful as a cat.
I've made you all clumsy now. The bird brain, the loopy lizard, and first of all, the kitty cat.
You made Catboy clumsy first?
Yes, last night while he was sleeping. And now I'm going to make everyone in the world clumsy so I can rule them all.
Oh, no.
And there's nothing you can do about it. Bye, Super Stumblers!
So you were clumsified before either of us.
Yes, but no! I guess I must have been. And because I wouldn't admit it, now we're all zapped. I'm really sorry.
Oh, Catboy, it's okay.
Really?
Yeah, but what can we do? We're going to be slipping, sliding, and stumbling forever.
We're still the PJ Masks. We'll find a way past it and stop Romeo. It's time to be a hero. Here we come, Romeo.
Yeah!
It just might take a little longer than usual. Guys, we need to concentrate and help each other focus.
Okay, steer straight. No, straight!
You come back from all clumsy, PJ Masks?
Oh!
Looks like you have enough already. We need a better plan!
It's out of control. Let's get out. Even our escapes are clumsy.
What? No! Get away, you crazy cat car! Whoa! No! Stop on my own race!
Now that you're clumsy too, Romeo, you'll have to reverse everyone's clumsiness.
No way! I may be slippy trippy, twisty turny, and have fumble fingers, but I'll never destroy my beautiful clumsy ray.
Ha! So you reversed the clumsiness by destroying the ray.
No, that's not what I meant! Whoa!
Too late. You've given it away now, Romeo.
Whoa!
stop him like this.
I've got it! When we tried not being clumsy, we were even clumsier. We crashed the cat car.
Right.
So we need to use our clumsiness. Fumble fingers, twisty turny, and slippy trippy.
Like clumsy power. Cool chameleon. Oh.
But Romeo's lap is really zigzaggy, so we'll have to time it carefully.
Here it comes. Ready, and go!
Super Gekko Fumble fingers.
Slippy trippy cat roll.
Twisty turny power.
Super Fumble fingers!
Hang on. Wait for the ray to wear off. Wait, I'm walking in a straight line again. You PJ Masks ruined everything!
PJ Masks, I'll shout hooray!
'Cause in the night we save the day!
Nice to see a regular science fair, and not some mad scientist experiment.
Amaya, Connor, the teacher says we need to move our volcano over there.
I've got it. It's not like I'm clumsified anymore, so I've totally got it. Okay, maybe I haven't got it.
Speak up, Gecko.
Okay, Greg, you're going to recite a poem for us, right?
In the night, I heard a noise. It sounded really squeaky. I thought it was some squawky birds beeping through their squeepies.
Huh?
Wait, squeaking through their teepees.
Calm down, children. Greg's doing just fine. Take your time, Greg.
It sounded like some squawky birds sweeping through their beakies. No! Woo! Saved by the bell.
It's okay, Greg. You can try another poem tomorrow.
Huh? I thought I was done with that silly poem, but now I have to do another one.
Don't worry, you'll do great tomorrow.
Yeah, you'll nail it, Greg. Easy.
It's not easy. It's embarrassing. Oh, I don't want to have to read another poem out loud again, ever. Whoa, what is that? What's going on? Hey, my voice is getting quieter, but I have to read my poem tomorrow. No voice, no poem.
What are you doing, Greg? Your voice went into that box? There's only one nighttime villain who can make a machine like that. Romeo.
PJ Masks, we're on our way into the night to save the day!
Night in the city, and a brave band of heroes is ready to face fiendish villains to stop them messing with your day. Connor becomes...
Catboy!
Amaya becomes...
Owlette!
Greg becomes...
Let's take the cat car. It's the fastest.
We'll get your voice back soon, Gecko.
Cat ears! machine that took your voice, Gecko. Let's sneak around back. Cool. Romeo has no idea we're here.
Hey, good looking.
Now's our chance. Use your super lizard grip to scale down the wall and sneak onto the latch. This is our easiest mission yet. Grab it, Gecko. Get your voice. Go for it!
Huh? The PJ pests! Eat my dust!
Gecko!
You're okay.
But why didn't you grab the box? It was right there. Never mind. We'll get it next time. I wonder why Romeo took your voice anyway.
PJ Masks!
Gecko!
You got your voice back! Pussycat and Featherbrain, you're not very smart.
Hey, it's not very nice.
You are my hero.
Romeo!
No! Gecko didn't get his voice back. Romeo still has it. And he's using it too. To the cat car.
Then you can't catch me!
Because you're just silly do-gooders. You can't even find the end of your nose. Not like Romeo. He's a total genius. Yes, a genius. Not a lizard like a sticky-fingered stinkaroo like me.
Sticky-fingered stinkaroo. I'm a genius at making up insults. And when Kitty Cat and Birdbrain come for Lizard Boy's voice, I'll get theirs too. Once I have all those PJ Masks' voices, they'll never be able to make plans to stop me again.
What a brilliant plan! Why, thank you. I thought it was a pretty good one, too.
Okay, Gecko. We'll deal with Romeo. You take care of the machine. Please, amazing genius, Romeo. Mr. Super Genius, Giant Brain, smartest of the smart. Can we have Gecko's voice back? It would mean so much.
Giant Brain? That does sound like me.
Yes, you're the brainiest evil genius ever. Yeah, we could never expect to beat you.
You can try another poem tomorrow.
A new poem.
Ha! It's a trick! Of course!
Romeo, your genius is untouchable.
I'm my cat's whiskers, Gecko. Coming unstuck isn't like you. Wait a minute. Are you trying to get out of doing your poem tomorrow? Come on, let's just find Romeo.
I just love this lizardy loser.
Romeo is #1.
I agree.
He's the greatest inventor that ever lived.
I really am.
And he's super cool.
Oh, Gecko, I love the things you say.
Who makes the world a better place? Romeo. Who has the most handsome face? Romeo.
Don't worry, Gecko. We'll make him be quiet. I've got a plan. I'm heading up into the air. You guys cover me in the cat car. Got it.
Who can ever be beat? Romeo. Who has the beat? Romeo.
This is even worse than having to read a poem at school, isn't it?
Oh, look what the cat dragged in! Stop, you kooky cat!
Time to drop in.
You're being silly! You'll crash! Unless it's another trick. And it is!
Don't worry, I'm okay.
Tired of only having one PJ Mask voice. Time to get all three.
No, I'm losing my voice. He's taking our voices.
Does this mean that Romeo the genius has all of our voices? It's because he's so awesome.
But we're not. Without our voices, we'll never be able to work together to defeat him. And all because Gekko didn't take his voice back when he could.
R-O-M-E-O, Romeo!
Oh, what's that, Gekko?
Oh, you think it's time to be a hero? In your dreams, you loopy lizard! Imagine all the naughty things I can do with these voices. And those PJ pests will get the blame! Oh, this is even more genius than I thought! Huh? Why am I stopping? Maybe there's something wrong with the engine. What was that? My voice box! Careful, you non-speaking ninnies! You could have broken it!
You can't win, Romeo.
Huh? Fluttering feathers! You sound like me! And I don't sound like me!
No, you sound like me!
Cat's whiskers!
But I sound like Gecko! This is even better! You're all so ridiculous! Huh?
I'm behind you. Actually, I'm here.
No, I'm here!
No! Ah! Stop it! Over here!
I'm here!
Here I am!
Oh! Oh!
Which buttons do I press?
Ah! Oh, I sound like me again, not you! Phew.
Hey, what was wrong with his voice? I've got mine back too. And I've got mine.
Give me my voice box back! My voice box! Oh no! I'm losing my voice!
I guess there's no more voice stealing now, Romeo. PJ Masks, so shout hooray! 'Cause in the night we save the day!
I thought that this was hard to do, to recite a poem out loud to you. I thought you'd laugh and all make fun, but it was easy, and now I'm done.
Well done, Greg.
Your voices!
Nah, just kidding.